Well, Kastner Zeke's videos back again. I haven't done a video here in just a little while. I did that one where we kind of rolled in some canister shell footage from the Kastner Pyrotechnics Demo there. And at the end of this video, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to be showing. I didn't get the whole demo or anything like that, but be showing some of those 200 and 500 gram consumer grade cakes, and then probably in another video I'll show some of their 1.3 display, and then let you guys guess which cake I'm gonna pick for my finale. And the 1.3 license did come in, better late than never. It was supposed to be here June 1st, and it just came yesterday. So what are we now? The 16th here of June. Oh, you know, timely fashion. That's what I always say. Anyway, I got the magazine open, and we'll be going to be basically bringing in 2 great big cakes for the finale. Those will be 1.3, but that won't be for a little while. And gonna do a resupply on Thunder Kings. But once in a while, with our fireworks show coming up here in a couple, 2-3 weeks. It looks like it's going to be 3 weeks now. Sometimes we get a little contribution. People just throw shit in, show up with stuff. It's like Santa Claus in June or July, and such thing happened there today. I'm going to touch on one other thing. This last weekend, the last time I was on camera, I said that I was going to do the Spartan race. That never really happened. It got to be 95 degrees heat wave here in the Midwest. So instead of going down by Chicago and running the Spartan race, and probably ending up on a fucking ambulance. That's probably what happened. It probably would have been my first ambulance ride. It might have been my last as well. And so instead of doing that, we went down to Six Flags Great American Road to Sumbitch. Now there's kind of an inside joke there. Way back in the day, we convinced a neighbor kid that they had a ride down there, a roller coaster called the Sumbitch, and he believed it, and he was telling everybody he was going to go ride the Sumbitch. So that's where that joke comes from. But anyway, the Joker, you know, I don't know if it's a Sumbitch, but especially right near the end, the last couple flips, boy, I tell you what, you don't know whether you're coming or going. You don't know. I mean, it's pretty mind-boggling. It's a pretty damn good ride. But anyway, not here to talk about roller coasters. By the way, that's how Kastner Zeke once was Kastner Zeke. I used to be like on the message boards, roller coaster message boards, and all that shit. I don't do that anymore. Anyway, talking fireworks. Holy shit, we got some shit here. Whole box of shit. I have not heard of this. Maybe it's because they're no name. Look at that, no name. No name. I'm going to have to check these out, because if the video is true to what, I think they're super loud. I got to check that out. That's why I got 3 of the fuckers. They're really good. I got a couple left for the show. I got to try one of these son of bitches. It seems like they got really loud reports, and I'm talking like really loud reports. And if you thought that had loud reports, it seems like these are muddin cakes. Again, no name. If the video is true on these fuckers are as loud as the Thunder King. And I would say something got through customs, I would say. So I'm going to have to try these out. If they're that damn good, I'm going to have to get more of them, because unlike the Thunder Kings, I don't have to keep a damn log of them. Then we got this gold thing. It kind of does that glitter thing. What else we got? Avalanche. Got that. I don't know what the hell this is. Glitter. I guess that one does glitter too. And then we got this big fucking cake by no name. And this is going to come right before the finale. And again, if the video is true, these no-name products are just a little loaded. So that's my guess. Then we got Wind is Big and Bad. Can never go wrong there. So I think we'll wrap up this video just stocking the magazine. So pre-fireworks festivities thing going on. people driving by, just making sure it wasn't the ATF. I guess it would be okay if they were, because we're all up to good right now. But I'm going to take a couple salutes out of there, and I'm going to try them out right along with a couple of them cakes tonight. And when I do, I have to get out the old trusty clipboard and go to, not 3-inch, that won't do us any good, 2-inch titanium salutes, and mark off that we shot off a couple. That's what happened last year. We had our fireworks magazine, got kind of late, forgot to write down shit. The agent was not impressed. But anyway, we got by with it this time, but we are not looking to have a repeat of that. So all the shit, all the paperwork's got to be really good. So anyway, at the end of this video, I'll roll in some footage, some more footage from the Kastner Pyro demo. So, you know, some consumer grade product and some 1.3 professional. Okay, hopefully we get this new cake by No Name Fireworks called Muddin' on fucking video. That's pretty good. I wouldn't say that's quite a Thunder King category, but it's pretty good.
Called Unstoppable, 18 shot by Bright Star. Number 35, this one is called American Steel, 25 shot by Dominator. Number 36, this one's called Paparazzi, 50 shot by Winda. Number 37, this one is called Raging Radical, 14 shot by Bright Star. Next up, number 38, this one is called Game On, 40 shot by Winda. I love Game On. That one's so cool. Next up, number 39. This one's called Triple Threat, 25 shot by Winda. All right, we're going to move on to number 40. This one is All In, 51 shots by Winda. I think that one is called All In because it has everything. All right, next up we've got Pandemonium.